If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living the result of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. When one door closes, another opens, but we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. Don't say you don't have enough time. You have exactly the same number of hours per day that were given to Helen Keller, Pasteur, Michelangelo, Mother Teresa, Leonardo da Vinci, Thomas Jefferson, and Albert Einstein. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you're always in the same place. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. There are far, far better things ahead than any we leave behind.